Penguin. Looks like you got a letter.
A letter? Yippee! It's a letter from Penguin! Hello, guys. My birthday's coming soon. Will you come to my party? Yeah! What are we waiting for? Let's go!
But kids, penguins live in Antarctica, far, far away.
How about we travel across the ocean in Captain Crustacean's boat? Yeah!
Oh!
What a great idea!
Sure! Crossing the ocean to see a friend, I gather.
We were invited to his birthday party. Can you take us there, Captain Crustacean?
Sure thing. I can take you kids to wherever you want.
Then take us to Antarctica, would you?
Antarctica? Well, I'm sorry, kids. My boat won't go that far.
Wait, do you mean we can't go to Penguin's party? But I wanted to tell him happy birthday.
Cheer up, kids. I've got an idea. Ta-da! Crustacean Airlines, quicker than the wind.
Wow! Awesome! All aboard!
Now, let's go, shall we? Yo ho ho, off to Antarctica! We'll be there before you know it.
Bah? Captain, look out!
The storm cloud! The wind is too strong!
Hold on, kids. Are you kids all right?
Yeah!
Blimey. My airplane is broken.
The island is moving!
I'm not an island. I'm a minke whale.
Hello, Minky Whale! I thought you were an island. You're so big. What's wrong, Minky Whale? Are you sick?
Yeah. There's trash clogging my breathing hole. It's making it hard to breathe.
Breathing hole?
There's garbage blocking his breathing hole.
Let's pull it out together.
Heave ho! Heave ho! Heave ho! Heave
Thank you so much, guys. Let me blow your plane back into the air.
Thank heaven!
Ready, guys?
Yeah! It looks like we're flying to space, everyone. Wow, how pretty! Huh? Look at that!
Land ahoy! We are now in Antarctica, folks!
I can't wait to meet Penguin! here. Subscribe to our channel.